So, happy Easter to you guys. Today a little look, showing you a bit what we do on the boat when we are not sailing. So I will post here and there some of our jobs. I think it can be interesting, other people can learn from it. Running an old historic Tallship like Florette means we are literally self-sufficient. We do our own painting, we do our own repairs, we do our own building. We have a small garage which we use as a workshop for little work like turning wood, which I will show you a little video soon. And we are now ready for the season. We carry a little mobile workshop with us where we can do repairs. So we have welders, we have different type of saws, we have sanding machines. We literally got equipment maybe for 20,000, 25,000 euros just on tools on board to keep our old ship like Florette going. We also carry spares pretty much from all the engine parts. But over the years I almost have all systems double, so when something breaks down I can literally have a backup or fix it. For example, we have 2 ribs, we've got 2 water makers, we've got 3 generators. We are literally double, triple safety. As we are ocean sailing, we need to be safe and have backup systems all the way along. Okay, so now check out the video. Today we'll start with a little session about deck caulking. We didn't do the whole deck, we just did a little leak which I found this morning, and I caulked it for you. So check it out and enjoy. Happy Easter, and talk to you soon. Your top hand. However, due to the position next to Deck's house, that was here not possible, so we caulked holding it like a chisel. Normally you can see a caulker doing this. He's not a caulker, however that's the only way to do it there. Now we pass over again and pack it tight, so you can hear from the noise of the hammer that the material is the same tight in. Alright, good morning guys. We're just caulking the deck of Florette a little bit. We have a bit of a leak coming in here. This is due to a structural thing. Here is one of the places where the deck's house finished. So that's a space where the ship will move, and after time it can happen that leaks happen because the wood shrinks over the season. That's what we call Caulking. This is the lightly tarred and oiled. Then what we have here is what we call commands. Types of lines and thicknesses. So when you have new planking, we use these days this, more faster to work and better to pack. And then there's always the option for Caulking. That's the standard. On the decks we use sometimes cotton or hemp. Now the new sealants we're using, they like the hemp also, so that's pretty cool. This is the mallet, which has been built. This has been given by my friend Fidele from Sicily. He is one of the last big caulkers in Sicily, and he sometimes made me one as a present. So this is the old one. I have this for maybe 15 years. And the irons, common irons we've been working on, only 3 on the deck, straight ones. And the job like that. Okay, that's it. Now comes a bit of sealant in here, and then it can cure, and hopefully no more water comes inside the boat. All the best, take care. Happy Easter, bye. Okay, we're not using any tape here because it's pointless, because you want to ferret it and later you sand it off like this. Okay, in a couple of days. Depending on the type of sealant, important is you pack it nicely and you see, make it a bit proud. And that's it. Here we pumped in 20 euros of material. That's where the money goes. Okay. Now you need a filler blade. And you just push that nicely in. One. Extras you put on the second blade. And you push it nicely in. That's it. Whatever's left over, I have a second spot where you can use it. When not, just finish a bit earlier, and then you don't waste this. This can now dry, and then in a couple of days just use the sun deck. That's it, job done. Alright, here we are at Florette's historic Tallship garage, our little workshop. Here we have a little workbench, and we have him, Jane, starting doing laying pins here. Right? And when they're finished, they should be looking something like this. Right? Jaden, say hello. So wooden belaying pins we have on board, then we have steel ones, and then we have different materials and wooden ones. So the which ones we are turning are made out of ironwood, and we tie off the sails. And in emergency, it's also a breaking point, safety valve. All the best, bye bye.
Welcome to Evan!